y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and it's February. I have a tradition here on Sister Girl Tuesday of every video in the month of February, starting it off with a quote from an African American. So today's quote is coming from Emmy Award-winning writer, producer, actress, comedian, Quinta Brunson, and it says, "You never know which people, places, and experiences are going to shift your perspective until after you've left them behind and had some time to look back." So today, the recipe I'm going to share with you is some mini Biscoff cheesecakes. This was a little challenging for me because I just don't feel like I'm good at baking, but because that chocolate pie went so well, I was like, let me give it a shot. And y'all, let me just say this. If you have a sweet tooth, you are going to enjoy this recipe. It's poppin'. So you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is take your cookies and put them in the food processor. You might need to do 2 batches depending on how big your food processor is. Then you're going to melt down some butter and then add the butter to your crumbled cookies until you have a consistency like this. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the crumbled cookie mix and pressing it into the muffin tin. And then I'm just going to repeat this step until I have all of the muffin tins filled. I put that in my freezer while I work on the filling. So I've got cream and I've got cream cheese that I'm just gonna blend together with a hand mixer. And you wanna make sure that it starts to get a nice consistency like what you see on screen. Then I'm gonna go in with some of my crumbled cookies and then 2 heaping tablespoons of some Biscoff spread. So now I'm mixing all of that together until it's well combined. So make sure you get all the crumbs off the side and keep mixing until smooth. So now I'm just attempting to put this in a Ziploc bag, my DIY piping bag, but honestly, you should just get a small cookie scoop or a small ice cream scoop and use that instead. But if you're feeling fancy and you feel like your level of cooking, baking skills is up there, then by all means, try it the piped way. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of filling to each muffin tin and then repeat. The second row, I tried to leave a little bit of an opening so that way I could go back in with some Biscoff spread. And then I'm just covering the tops of each muffin tin that has some filling in it. Now you wanna make sure that you chill this overnight in the freezer and then refrigerate 1 hour prior to serving. And then when you take them out, you can just go ahead and drizzle a little bit more Biscoff spread and some crumbled cookies, and y'all, let me know what you think in the comment section below.